Welcome to Learn English by Listening. I eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning. She eats an apple for a snack. She eats an apple for a snack. They eat dinner at 7 p.m. They eat dinner at 7 p.m. We eat together on Sundays. We eat together on Sundays. He eats a lot of vegetables. He eats a lot of vegetables. Do you eat spicy food? Do you eat spicy food? My cat eats fish every day. My cat eats fish every day. I eat rice with chicken. I eat rice with chicken. She eats chocolate when she is happy. She eats chocolate when she is happy. They eat pizza on Fridays. They eat pizza on Fridays. He eats slowly. He eats slowly. We eat lunch at school. We eat lunch at school. I eat a sandwich for lunch. I eat a sandwich for lunch. She eats too much sugar. She eats too much sugar. Do you eat breakfast every day? Do you eat breakfast every day? He eats soup when he is sick. He eats soup when he is sick. They eat in the park sometimes. They eat in the park sometimes. We eat fresh fruit in summer. We eat fresh fruit in summer. I eat popcorn at the cinema. I eat popcorn at the cinema. She eats a salad for dinner. She eats a salad for dinner. He eats ice cream in hot weather. He eats ice cream in hot weather. They eat sushi at Japanese restaurants. They eat sushi at Japanese restaurants. We eat cake on birthdays. We eat cake on birthdays. I eat eggs in the morning. I eat eggs in the morning. She eats healthy food. She eats healthy food. Do you eat meat? Do you eat meat? He eats pasta with cheese. He eats pasta with cheese. They eat snacks while watching TV. They eat snacks while watching TV. We eat fish on Fridays. We eat fish on Fridays. I eat fast food sometimes. I eat fast food sometimes. She eats honey with bread. She eats honey with bread. He eats watermelon in summer. He eats watermelon in summer. They eat fresh seafood at the beach. They eat fresh seafood at the beach. We eat dinner at a restaurant. We eat dinner at a restaurant. I eat cereal for breakfast. I eat cereal for breakfast. She eats nuts for energy. She eats nuts for energy. He eats corn on the cob. He eats corn on the cob. They eat chocolate cake at parties. They eat chocolate cake at parties. We eat ice cream after lunch. We eat ice cream after lunch. I eat my favorite dish on weekends. I eat my favorite dish on weekends. She eats grapes in autumn. She eats grapes in autumn. He eats homemade food. He eats homemade food. They eat different cuisines. They eat different cuisines. We eat dinner as a family. We eat dinner as a family. I eat snacks when I study. I eat snacks when I study. She eats toast with butter. She eats toast with butter. He eats apples every day. He eats apples every day. They eat oranges in winter. They eat oranges in winter. We eat noodles with chopsticks. We eat noodles with chopsticks. I eat soup with a spoon. I eat soup with a spoon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.